Daleth. I lie in the dust. Revive me by your word. I told you my plans, and you answered. Now, teach me your decrees. Help me understand the meaning of your commandments, and I will meditate on your wonderful deeds. I weep with sorrow. Encourage me by your word. Keep me from lying to myself. Give me the privilege of knowing your instructions. I have chosen to be faithful. I have determined to live by your regulations. I cling to your laws. Lord, don't put me to shame. I will pursue your commands, for you expand my understanding.